Instead of cutting your mangoes the hard way, consider trying this other method, which is so easy. Turn the mango in your hands until you find the most long, narrow view. In the middle of that narrow view lives a seed, which is very large. You want to cut around that seed, which is about a ½ inch in the middle of the mango, and sometimes larger depending on what type of mango you have. Essentially, you want to cut on either side of those dotted lines where the seed lives, and then, without cutting all the way through the skin of the mango, score lines into the flesh. Use a less sharp knife for your first time. I highly recommend using protective cutting gloves if you're not experienced in cutting mangoes. I'll put a link below. I've definitely cut myself in the past when doing this, so be very, very careful and gentle and slow the first time you do this. When you're done cutting your lines, turn the mango inside out. The skin is soft and will easily do this as soon as you're done cutting. You can see the beautiful folds of mango that are ready to be sliced off. It kind of looks like pages of a book. Okay, take your knife and cut perpendicular to the slices as close to the skin as you can get. It might take a couple of times, and I even struggled a little bit with this half. You'll soon see that the second half went super smoothly. You can also see that I need to sharpen my knife. Don't do this with a super sharp knife your first time though. Set the slices aside and go at it on the second half. Hold your mango once again so that you can see the narrow side of it and slice that other part off. Watch as side number 2 goes super easily, and I'm able to slice through the mango very nicely and neatly and flip it inside out, just like the pages of a book, and so on. You will be left with the middle of the mango after you've cut these slices out. And what I do with that part is just cut the skin off the outside edge and munch on the flesh around the seed. The seed is rather large. You might be shocked at how big it is. Add them to salads, smoothies, or to decorate a dessert. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share for more.